Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to download Roblox on Windows. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So it's easy to download Roblox. All you have to do is go to any web browser and then type Roblox download. Click the first link that you can see here. It will take you directly to the Roblox page. Now in the Roblox page, you will see this download Windows app. Click this one. You will see that it is now starting to download. Go to downloads folder or desktop and then tap this. Click run as administrator and then wait as it will start or begin installing to your PC or to your device. Wait for a couple of minutes and Roblox will just suddenly pop up. Another way or method is you can go to your Microsoft Store. And in the Microsoft Store, what you're going to do here is you have to look for Roblox. So Roblox is for free. Just type or search Roblox. You will see here the get button. And all you have to do is tap on get. Make sure you have a strong internet and then wait until you see the open button. You just have to click open. And that's how you download Roblox on Windows. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.